enjoyed that real quick packaging showcase, or what comes in the packaging, followed by a real quick close-up of the earbuds and the charging case. Now, welcome to my first impressions with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. All right? And real quickly, before we get into those first impressions, I just want to throw the screenshot up in post of how much I was able to pick up these buds for. It was pretty much a steal. I couldn't say no to it. Now, just for reference, originally, if you buy these brand new, mint condition, box unopened, sealed, these are $130, and that's before taxes. Now, I bought these on Amazon from the Amazon Renewed program, and I paid, wait for it, and I'll show y'all the receipt, okay? The screenshot receipt, just so y'all know I'm not lying. I paid $50 and change. Yes. Look at the screenshot. Boom. $50 and 40 something cents. And these earbuds go for $130 before taxes. And that screenshot, $50 and I believe it was 47 cents, that was after taxes. When I saw that, I couldn't say no to these. Granted, they don't have the best battery life. Granted, a lot of people complained about the fit, but I still had to pick them up. At that price, I can more than put them through their paces, and I already know I might not be as happy with the battery life, and I might not be as happy with the fit, but I'm going to pick them up. We're going to put them through their paces, and we're going to see how I feel about them in the full review. But yes, that was the price that I picked them up for. Now let's get into the first impressions. Now, I am liking the size. This is a nice compact size, and I do see why everybody jokes about calling them Galaxy Beans. They do look like some Sensu beans, if I'm being honest. Some silver Sensu beans. And anybody who's ever seen Dragon Ball Z, y'all know what a Sensu bean is. If not, Google it, YouTube it. If you haven't watched Dragon Ball Z, you don't know what you're missing out on, okay? That's life, right? That's life, all right? But I can definitely see the appeal of the size, and I can definitely see where that joke came from, the Galaxy Beans, the Galaxy Buds Live. I get that joke. Now, let me try on the buds real quick, give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. Then we're going to take our usual selfies, front profile, side profile, and we're going to wrap the video up. All right, so let me throw this in. This is the right earbud. Now, it does reference that when you put them in your ears, you want to make sure it goes down and into your ear canal. Okay, it references that. You want to go down and in, and then twist it in so it locks into place. So this is the right earbud. You can see it right there. So let's put this in, down, in, twist, lock. Like that. And let me check the shake. Okay, so I got it in. It's not coming out. So let's do the same thing with the left. Again, here's the left earbud. You can see it right there. And let's do it. So down, in, twist, lock. Okay, twist, lock. And the left earbud is in. Quick shake test. Not coming out. All right, so both the earbuds is in. Let me do a shake test with both of them in. Okay. A little bit of wiggle on the left, but solid on the right, okay? Solid on the right. And it comes with two different sizes. It comes with a small and a large. I think I'm going to leave the smalls on here. That's what mine came with. Now, let's take the selfies. So, Samsung S10e on deck. Let me unlock this. Payal. Let me fire the camera up. Alright. And let's do a front profile. Boom. And let's do a side profile. Let's do the right and the left. Boom, boom. And now let me show y'all these. All right, so front profile, look at that. Yo, you can't even tell I have them in, son. That is awesome, son. Yeah, you can't tell I have them in. Now check out the profiles. Boom. And boom. Oh yeah, these are very discreet. I almost wish the battery life was better. I'm sure I'll get used to the fit, but there's a real quick profile check. Matter of fact, let me show you one more time. Pull it up again. So here's the front. Boom. There's one side. And there's the other side. Boom. And much like the Galaxy Buds Plus, all I had to do was open up my case and it launched it in the Galaxy Wearables application and it connected right up to my Galaxy device. So you can see my Galaxy Buds Live are connected. So there's really no guesswork when we talk about connecting these buds. Now you can see if I go into the Galaxy Wearable application, neither one of my Buds Plus are connected. It's connected to the Buds Live. Boom. Right? Boom. So, if I'm being 100% honest with y'all, first impressions of the fit is really good. Alright? First impressions of the sound quality and all that good stuff, I haven't really gotten into that yet. But I will let y'all know in the fit and sound demonstration. I will let y'all know in the microphone test. And everything will culminate in the full review with these bad boys right here. Real quick video. Not trying to waste any time. There might be one break in it, so I cut it up in between the packaging showcase and this first impressions. But real quick video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all found it helpful. As always, let's get into a nice respectful conversation about the Galaxy Buds Live down below in the comments. I will meet you guys and gals down there. Again, no time frame on when the full review is going to be out because I'm going to take my time with these. But everything will culminate. My thoughts, impressions, and all that good stuff will culminate in the full review. And I'm going to let y'all know if these are worth it. Alright, and we'll go through everything that y'all need to know in that video. Alright, but if this video did pique your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick these bad boys up at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. And those are affiliate links. So I do get a small percentage of kickback from those links that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. And please, 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 let me know what y'all think of the overall video quality and the overall sound quality on this one, because this whole video here was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the iPhone XR, alright, with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall sound quality. And we do got the studio lights on blast here today. Got the professional studio lights going. So please also let me know what y'all think of the overall lighting. I hope I did a good job. Your feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated. And remember, y'all, please keep it respectful, please. That being said, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.